as they flow down. Their songs entwine with the trees that stand